Berkeley Library, and this month we're making banana split pie, and I am so excited. The ingredients are a graham cracker crust, cream cheese, pudding mix, powdered sugar, bananas, crushed pineapple, hot fudge, cherries, and Cool Whip. Everything delicious, and I can't wait to taste this. Okay, let's get started. First step is put the cream cheese, pudding, and 1 cup of powdered sugar into a bowl. Got a little cream cheese all over my fingers. Now, if you don't have pudding, you can just use an extra cup of powdered sugar. I'm using vanilla today, but feel free to use whatever you like. If you like an extra chocolatey flavor, you can make chocolate pudding, banana flavor, whatever sounds good to you. This is a 1/2 cup measuring spoon, so I need 2. Okay, now we blend it all together. All right, it's all combined. Now we spread the mixture of cream cheese pudding and powdered sugar into our graham cracker crust. We'll just smush this in an even layer in the bottom. Oops. That's okay, nobody saw. Nobody will notice. All right, now the next step is to peel and slice some bananas. You don't want the chunks to be too thick. Now let's see how much space one banana covers and see if we need another one. Next, we add the pineapple. It's just 1 small 8-ounce can, and I drained it because we don't want too much of the liquid to make it soggy. And just spread that on top of the bananas. Now, my favorite ingredient, some fudge sauce. You could also use just regular chocolate syrup if that's what you have on hand. Oh, this looks delicious. Now our whipped topping. Now I'm gonna do a little more hot fudge because you know I love it. And a decorative drizzle on top. Now I'm gonna use a knife and just gently drag it through to swirl the fudge sauce and the Cool Whip. And what banana split would be complete without some cherries on top? I'm just gonna put a few all the way around the edge of the pie. If you really like cherries, there's no reason why you couldn't mix them up and put them in the middle as well. our pie is done. Okay, so that is our banana split pie. It's best to make it as close to serving time as possible. This isn't the kind of thing that's going to do well sitting in the fridge for a few hours. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to cut into this and share this with my friends right now.
Thanks for watching. Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.